That's the loofah.
Our loofah plant is growing over the fence to our neighbor's yard, and it's going to take over everything as it has this side of our garden. Here we have some eggplant, different things. And as you can see, this loofah is dominating all the other plants that were under here. And even our grapes here, which at one time were looking pretty good, are completely dominated and overgrown by this loofah. So, I don't know, looks like a problem that goes everywhere. So be careful of loofah if you get it. It grows like crazy. And it's like all over this fence here, going over again and dominating all our plants here. Well, and here are some hot peppers. These are hot too. Tabasco peppers. These are very, very nice, and they're very hot and very nice. And these here, these peppers, more peppers here. These are not as powerful as the others. These are weaker, but have a nice taste. More peppers, peppers everywhere.
I'm not pepper.
Oh, and look, who's that? What kind of plant is that?
I'm not pepper. I'm just Nurse Dadak.
Oh no. And looks like
Look,
eggplant.
I have a lot of banana peppers.
Banana peppers, yeah. Oh well, that's our garden.